kids in your Subarus driving all the way frantically.
Alright, you guys know, like, when you're taking out a Miata dashboard, sometimes it can be a little tricky. So, like, you know, most of the time you get like a little pick, really tiny little ratchet, you gotta sneak it in underneath the windshield and whatnot. So I figured out the easiest way is to go through the windshield. And then you could actually get the socket. Okay, not right now. Hold on, I gotta get my socket back. Just move some glass out of the way. Oh, we're almost there. Now we could try again. See, look at that fucking mint, bro. Easy access. And then you take out that little bolt. See, like, I don't know what people are stressing about. It's so easy to just go straight forward. Easy access, comes right out. And then get that screw right out, and no one will any the wiser, because clearly my method is superior. Alright, so we should be able to just get some glass out of the way. Hit the bolt. No, I think we got a little bit more. See, like, this normally would be a lot harder. A lot harder. Look at that. There we go. See? And then the bolt fell into the dash, and we don't have to worry about it ever again. It's gone now. So this has been your little tips and tricks for the day. If you get any trouble with there, just punch a hole straight through the glass, and then you can access it. So next time, just ask Vinny. Take care.